So a couple of days back, my hard drive died. While I was moving stuff around, I realized that it died and I needed a new hard drive. So obviously, who do I talk to? I talk to Peter, right? And then we started talking about this subreddit called wire porn and battle station porn. It's basically about wire management and people's battle stations. So, as luck would have it, I started looking into it and I decided to upgrade uh, the office a little bit and upgrade my wire management, my basic setup and layout in the room, and basically give it a small overhaul with scrap material, not with anything new. Of course, some of the parts for the table itself would be new, but most of it, from the building and construction standpoint, everything would be either scrap or whatever I have from previous projects. So, see how you like it. So this was where it all began. We looked at some options. This is one of the options. This is the second option I looked at. Basically, the two options included, one was with a platform, and the second one was more of a tower with all the hard drives located. So that was where it all began. These are some images of the current desk status and the room with multiple things around the place which needs to get organized. Here is a quick overview of what we thought of for the back area. The ordering process started, and the first thing that got ordered was the monitor arms. Installed them in place and kind of saw how things were. Looking at how to wire manage this cluster of wires, so had to do a dry run and drop things in place to see how things would work. So at this point, I'm still toying around with various ideas of tower design. In the back of my mind, I'm thinking of what if I actually go with the platform instead of a tower. But you got to try out the designs, various options. So this is how all the options are working out at this point. What is shown over here is the tower. Looking at some options of under table cabinets, slide outs. These are two options that we were looking at. Now Peter, on the other hand, had already started doing his wire management. So this is his wire management. Of course, this is work in progress, so it's going to turn out awesome. After a couple of iterations of design, decided to go with the low profile linear platform instead of the vertical tower. It would house multiple things and serve both as storage underneath the plank and also a cleaner shelf so that I could put more stuff in case I needed to, any other accessories, chargers, what have you. So the USB ports, all the USBs and the external drives on the left side, keyboard and my Wacom on the right side, and everything is consolidated in one place. I figured I needed a crosscut sled, so quickly made one and then started with the design, joining wood and then trying to get a clean bevel on the side. Here I have the wood in cowls so that the legs can be put together, and then finally moved on to finish. It took me around a day and a half to get this together. So here most of the tung oil is being applied for the finish.